Welcome to No Nonsense Airbnb. If you want all your guests to have a profile photo on Airbnb, let me show you how you can set that setting on your Airbnb listing. Once you're logged into Airbnb, click on Switch to Hosting on the top right. That will take you to your hosting dashboard. Click on your listings and then click on your listing once again. Now that will open up your listing editor, and then click on this cogwheel next to arrival guide. And on the next screen, you will see the fourth option here is guest requirements. And you can just simply flick this button which says require a profile photo. And with that, Airbnb will make sure only the people who have uploaded a profile picture will be able to send you a booking request. Keep in mind the profile picture won't be visible to you until the booking is confirmed. This is for privacy and to stop discrimination and all those things. But it is also important to know that Airbnb automatically verifies everyone's email address, phone number, their payment information, and they have to agree to your house rules before they can make any reservation, irrespective of whether you choose to have a profile photo as a mandatory step or not. And that brings me to the end of this video. I really hope you find this video useful. Have a wonderful day wherever you are. Until next time, bye-bye.